The pros and cons of white wood flooring. Dear friends, one of the most popular goals in designing a home is creating a peaceful retreat to recharge from our busy schedules. White wood flooring makes any size of room seem bright, inviting and calming, especially when paired with furniture in light and natural color tones as well. If you love the look of white wood floors but have hesitations about how they will actually look from day to day, simply evaluating the pros and cons of this flooring color can help you make that final decision. As with any type of flooring, there are benefits and drawbacks associated with the color white. As you weigh the pros and cons, make sure to take into consideration the way in which your home actually lives. Children, pets, time spent at home and how often you entertain can all be factors in determining whether this flooring suits the needs of your oasis. Pros of white plank flooring. Versatility. White flooring blends seamlessly with a wide range of home design styles, including modern, country, traditional, industrial, transitional, farmhouse, contemporary and shabby chic. Neutral backdrop. White plank flooring acts as a perfect backdrop for area rugs and furniture of any color, making it easy to change up the look of your space with a fresh coat of paint, a few new furnishings, or by changing out the area rug. Clean and uncluttered. We naturally associate white with a feeling of cleanliness and openness. As such, white plank floors help a space appear uncluttered and clean as soon as you step into the area. This makes it a great choice for homes with a minimalist aesthetic. Brighter. White naturally reflects light, maximizing the sunlight and artificial light in the room for a brighter and more cheerful space. Keep the rest of the furnishings light and bright to continue the open look white floors bring to a home. Cons of white plank flooring. Frequent cleaning. Sure, white wood floors look clean, but it does take some work to keep them that way. Every bit of dirt will show, so frequent vacuuming and mopping are necessary when you feature white floors. Considering investing in a robotic vacuum that runs daily to help maintain the look of the flooring. Placing area rugs at entryways and choosing white flooring with a little color variation will help conceal dirt for longer. Glare. When a room has a lot of windows and natural light, pay attention to the tone and the finish of the white flooring. Some high sheen finishes and bright white hues can cause a glare under the light. Shows wear. Pristine white flooring does get worn over time and the signs are easy to see. Consider starting with a more distressed finish and the wear and tear will not be as evident. Finishing the floor with a heavy-duty sealant with built-in stain protectant will help prevent damage to the planks as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.